Good morning, friends, and welcome to Circle Time with me. It's Mrs. Mozingo. I'm so glad you're here today. I've missed talking to you. Let's go ahead and get started since everyone's here. And we'll start off with the Pledge of Allegiance. We're going to stand up, put our right hand over our heart, and our eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed in school and life. I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. Woohoo! All right. So today is the very first day of June. It's a brand new month. So let's go ahead and we're going to grab our June 1st down here. And put it right up here on Monday. Now guess what? We have a birthday in June. And it's our friend, Miss Gracie. Her birthday is on June 5th. So I read a book one time, and it's always stuck with me, and it's about your golden birthday. So your golden birthday is when you turn the number that your birthday is. So, for example, Gracie's birthday is June 5th, and she's turning 5. So that means it's her golden birthday. She has a special time because she's 5 and it's on the 5th day. So my birthday is on the 27th. So my golden birthday wasn't until I turned 27. So we make a big deal about that here in my house. So wow, Gracie, golden birthday on Friday. What kind of weather do we have outside today? Is it sunny? Sunny with clouds, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy. Oh yes, it is sunny outside. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Are we going to have sunny, partly sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, or snowy? Oh, I heard someone say partly cloudy. I'll take that. Partly sunny. Sounds good to me. All right, is everybody ready? Let's say the alphabet. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Woohoo! All right, we're counting to 20. Are you ready? Let's stand up. And let's reach up high into the air for 1. Put our hands on our waist for 2. And down to the floor for 3. Reach up high. Reach for 4. Hands on our hips for 5. Down to the floor 6. Ready? Up high 7. Hips 8. Floor 9. Up high 10. Hips 11. 12 down to the floor. All right, ready? Go do it on your own. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Where did you end? You had your hands on your hips. You're exactly right. Good job. Let's count backwards from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I showed the morning class a video of the new rocket being launched. Okay, so here they are. They're going to count backwards and they're going to launch this rocket.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff. stop at the Falcon Line and Crew Dragon, go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Spot and Dog.
America has launched. So rises a new era of American spaceflight, and with it the ambitions of a new generation continuing the dream. 20 seconds into flight, stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
All right. So this was done on the 30th, which was Saturday. And this is the first rocket that's been launched into space in 9 years. So it's been a long time since they've done that. That was pretty exciting stuff. All right, and there goes our rocket. Let's take a look at our colors. Who can tell me what color this is? Brown. How about this one? White. And what color is Joy? Yellow. Exactly right. How about this shape? What shape is it? Circle. This one. Square. This one. Octagon. All right, our nursery rhyme this week is mulberry bush. Here we go around the mulberry bush. Let's see, watch the video on that.
Mulberry bush. Come on, guys. I'm so happy you're here.
Sorry, Mary. I tripped over your teddy bear. Mary, what happened here?
I guess I was having a little too much fun to clean up.
But cleaning up is fun. It is. If you add a dance. Come dance with us.
Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our clothes, wash our clothes, wash our clothes. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we make our bed, make our bed, make our bed. This is the way we make our bed so early Tuesday morning. This is the way we pick up our toys, pick up our toys, pick up our toys. This is the way we pick up our toys so early Wednesday morning. We make our bed on Tuesday, we pick up our toys on Wednesday. This is the way we scrub the floor, scrub the floor, scrub the floor. This is the way we scrub the floor so early Thursday morning. This is the way we fold our clothes, fold our clothes, fold our clothes. This is the way we fold our clothes so early Friday morning. We scrub the floor on Thursday, we fold our clothes on Friday. This is the way we sweep the house, sweep the house, sweep the house. This is the way we sweep the house so early Saturday morning. This is the way we bake our bread, bake our bread, bake our bread. This is the way we bake our bread so early Sunday morning. We sweep the house on Saturday, we bake our bread on Sunday. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning.
Ready for a treat?
So yummy. Wait, just a minute. There, all clean. Thanks for helping me clean up. It was fun.
Now let's eat. Which one do you guys want?
I kind of want to eat all of them.
All right, that is our nursery rhyme this week, Mulberry Bush. Now we're going to go on and take a look at some money. What is this? Dime. Here. Nickel. This one. Penny. And right down here. Quarter. Excellent. Number 4, 7, 1, 10, 2, 8, 6, 3, 5, 9, and it's time to make our numbers. This week we're learning how to make the numbers 7, 8, and 9. So we're not going to sing our song today because we have so many numbers to do. So if you have your board, we need first a little line and a big line. So we're going to take our little line and we're going to take it to the top. I can grab it. Oh my. Because I have something else down there that's blocking that. Come on, the line, there you go. Put the little line at the top. Everybody has their little line to the top. I'm going to make mine a little bigger. Next, we're going to take a big line. And we're going to make it into a slide. And it's going to go from one corner to the other. So you can see I have to make mine a little bigger. There we go. So it is little line across the top, big slide. And that makes the number 7. Let's do it together. Are you ready? Fingers at the top. We say little line across the top, big slide down. All right. Next, what we're going to do is the number 8. Now the number 8 isn't really meant to be done on the board like this. We just have to write it. But I'm going to go ahead and try to show you how to do it with a few of the pieces. So if we were in the classroom, we would have our own little writing boards. We would have whiteboards. So what we're going to do is we are going to make the letter S. Remember how to make the letter S? It was a little curve, and then a little curve. Right, this is going to be a little off. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can fix mine real fast. So a little curve makes the letter S, or the number S. You know, I get it, letter S, but we're making the number 8. And what we need to do is make 2 S's. Oh, my guinea pig's talking to me, telling me I'm messing up. So we have our first S right here. And then to make the number 8, we have to make another S, and it has to come back up here. So I'm going to all right, so I have the letter S. Now I'm going to make another S, but backwards. I put the one little curve down the bottom, and then I come back up with the other little curve. Definitely easier if we were all together to do it. But that is the letter S. So it goes a little curve, little curve, little curve back up, little curve back up. So you have 4 little curves all together. Little curve, little curve, little curve, little curve. Now our last number is the number 9. The number 9, we're also going to have a curve with it. And it's going to be all the way on the opposite side of Mr. Matt's smiling face. So I have my little curve, and it's going to go up in the right-hand corner. Boop, just like that. And then I'm going to grab my big line. I'm going to put it right down below. Oops. Your pieces will be a little better because they're actually made for it. So it is starting in the right-hand corner. We have little curve, frog jump up, big line down. One more time, do it with me. A little curve, frog jump up, Big line down. Don't worry, we'll work on these all week. See you tomorrow.